Got some breaking news and new twists in the murders of an elderly couple. An 88-year-old man beheaded, his 87-year-old wife dumped in a lake. The sheriff now says he believes the victims knew their killers. The family has not yet been eliminated as suspects. Our affiliate, WSB, with these brand new keys to the case. All right, let's take a look at some keys to this case as we try to figure out what exactly is going down here with our dream team. Key number one, murder weapon not yet found. Not yet found. Key number two, it was 3 days until the bodies were actually discovered. Missed those first 48 hours. Key number three today, condition of the body. Why was Russell Derman beheaded? All right, let's bring in the dream team on this. Let's start with one thing that the sheriff said here. Knew the killer.
Most of the time that's the case. I've handled a lot of murder cases in law enforcement as a prosecutor and as a defense counsel, and I've never seen one where the murder suspect and the deceased were not familiar with one another. So that's where the sheriff's getting that from, and it's very possible. There's another plausible theory that comes to my mind, however. Because of the decapitation, that's the kind of thing that sends a message to somebody. I think it was meant to send a message to somebody who was close to these people, maybe one of their children or another relative. Again, as the sheriff said, it's educated speculation because we don't have anything else to go on at this point.
Yeah, and you talk about vehicles, we may be talking about a boat here.
Possibly.
Right? Because her body, Shirley's body, is found 5 miles away from the home, dumped in the lake.
Right.
You talk about how do you get into this house. It's a gated community. You could navigate your way through Lake Oconee and make your way into their house.
Well, I've been to that lake. I love that lake, but it's a really large lake. So they know that she didn't drown. The autopsy revealed that, and so where she was found in the water tells us that a boat was involved and that she died before she was put in the water. So